Friends, if there is a scratch on the display of our phone, will we put Colgate on it and rub it with a cloth? Then all the scratches will be cured? But this guy does not believe this video at all. Then he also orders a phone. After the parcel arrives, he unboxes it and starts scratching the display. And after scratching, he brings a Colgate. Friends, will all the scratches of the phone be cured with this Colgate or not? But before seeing that, on one side there is mother, and on the other side, there is money. Which one of the two will you like? Only the people who like mother like me will like this video and subscribe to the channel and see. In this way, after liking and subscribing to the video, click on the remix option and type on use this sound. Some such magic will happen.